Okay, so now we have all our clip-on flowers in and our big focal houses. The next thing we're going to do is put in our ornaments, and we have like hedgehogs, owls, and then what we do is, again, we have a wire on them, so just find a good spot where you think they'll sit, and you wrap it around, then you just wire it up to a branch, a little branch above, and then you see that'll keep it in its spot. And what is cute is to have them in little groups, especially like animals. Twist it in, you take it up a bit, wire it in. And we're also going to fill it in with our glass bowls as well. Here we have some little owls. And see, because the branches are not in too far, we can have them hanging out a lot further. Again, we wind it around and then wire it. And see, with the ornaments, if they're out a bit further, then we can really put some glass in behind. See, then we can put it in a bit more background. Again with the wire. It's also a really good filler so you don't see the back. Okay guys, so now we have all our glass balls and ornaments in. The next stage is to clip in our birds, and you know, because they're on clips, it's so easy to put in. And because we didn't put our branches in so far, we have good ledges, and really they're so cute when they're clip on in little groups like you see them in nature. Okay guys, so that's how we make our living walls here at Goodwill. And actually, if you wanted to, you could use the same technique, but maybe do a Christmas version with red poinsettias, gold, and lots of Christmas flowers. It would be fantastic. Okay, see you soon.